Hey y'all, Surfing Sapo here. Today is October 10th, 2008. Been using my Weber Smoky Mountain a lot. Already made 2 brisket. I was going to make a 3rd one today, but my wife said, hey, can we have something different? Not that it ain't good, but I guess she wants chicken. So anyway, you know how that goes. I'm making chicken. I'm going to do the whole body put on the stand. I'm going to put that inside the Weber Smoky Mountain. So let's get started. First thing I'm doing right here is I got a charcoal chimney, and I got a, you notice that right there, it goes to my propane. I got it going in there, and that's lighting the charcoal chimney. So they're almost ready. Now I'm going to put it over there in the bottom of the Weber Smoky Mountain. All right, y'all, here's the Weber Smoky Mountain firebox. Pouring them in. There we go. Okay. And then what I'll do is kind of get them all over the place. That ought to be good. Heck, that'll work right there. All right. Let that sucker warm up, and I'll throw the chicken on. Hi everybody, how you doing? Look, it's me. I'm inside the Smoky Mountain, surfing Sapo. Oh wait, no I'm not, just my reflection. Anyway, letting it warm up, y'all. It's having fun, you know how it is. Gotta have fun. Alright y'all, here's the 2 chickens. They're soaking in Bach and brown sugar by Cookwell & Company. I'm going to give them about another 5 minutes of soaking, then we'll put them on the Texas stainless steel chicken cookers. Alright? Let me show you the Texas stainless steel chicken cookers. Y'all might remember them from before. Here they are. It's got the state of Texas cut out. You see that? Let's see, right there. State of Texas cut out of there. Put them nice stainless steel, won't rust. Need that down here. You put some liquid in there and put the chicken on there. I'm just going to put the chickens on there. I ain't putting no liquid. They'll make their own liquid. Alright. Alright. Put these babies on. Let's see. One of y'all go right to cheer. Look at the camera, boy. And the other one of y'all go right there. Now actually, I need to go ahead and talk. You're going to need some company while you're in there. How y'all like that? Chicken. There we go. Mesquite smoked chicken on a Saturday night, South Texas. Alright. Let them get to know each other. Bye bye, fellas. What a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sight. Got my little tiki guard over there, guarding the Weber Smoky Mountain. Let's see how it looks. Check this out. Let's see how that looks there. Starting to get tans. That's good. 10 you're on vacation to Caribbean, fellas. Getting a tan. Alright, there it is, y'all. They're getting darker. And it's getting darker outside. That's why the video is going kaput. Starting to look grainy. Night video. Probably not gonna video out here until I take them inside. Not video no more until I take them inside. Alright, see y'all in a bit. Alright, so here he is. The chicken. Chicken. We'll cut him straight down the middle. Look at that. Very juicy, tender. Now look at that juice just pouring out of the breast. Look at that. Nice, nice. Anyway, it's still a little warm yet. I don't think I'm gonna burn myself. I'm trying to test it. Let me let it cool off and then we'll test it. Alright y'all, it's all done. It came out pretty good. Smoked it for about, I don't know, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, something like that. I don't know. I just checked it with the my meat thermometer here. Made sure it was safe to eat. Okay. Anyway, I've chopped it up. Try a little drumstick here. Not bad. Pretty doggone good. Alright, so far I've made briskets, 2 briskets, and 2 chickens on the Weber Smoky Mountain. Very good product, y'all. When the 2009s come out, make sure you get one of those, because I know I am. Anyway, everybody have a good day, wherever you are, and God bless you. Bye-bye. I'll see you later, okay?